This is a brand new channel called Coffee and Carry, where we essentially talk about coffee as well as everyday carry items, which are the two C's that I love in my life, and I think that I'm gonna do it until the day that I die. But sometimes I might just inject in some content with the third C that I'm in love with, which is camera. I love film camera, guys, so I might just inject some stuff about film camera into this channel. But yeah, essentially Coffee and Carry, and let me tell you more about it. And this is how I love to enjoy my coffee. So I carry my coffee around, hence coffee and carry. Let's brew. So yeah, this is how I carry my coffee, hence Coffee and Carry, and I hope that I can explore this whole hobby with you guys, going into depth about coffee, how I choose my coffee, my preferences, the different flavors I get from the coffee, and then we can talk about the carry aspect, how I carry my coffee, the everyday carry that I have, because I spend a lot of my adult money on a lot of EDC stuff, the everyday carry stuff. I go down to the specific lighters that I actually plan for my coffee carry. I have all kinds of bags at the boot of my car, which I can't wait to share with you guys. So yeah, hope that you guys can join me in this channel and explore this whole hobby about coffee and carry, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself and stay caffeinated.